Looking for the best air fryer for chicken but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best air fryer for chicken based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5.
Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer Plus. This air fryer is a game changer with its incredible ability to cook frozen food to a golden, crispy perfection with up to 98% less oil. It's perfect for families who want to enjoy their favorite snacks without the guilt of deep frying, and its massive XL 14-quart interior can cook a main course and sides all at the same time, so you can feed a crowd with ease. Not only is it a versatile air fryer, but it's also a toaster oven, with 5 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, reheat, and even dehydrate, so you can replace multiple kitchen appliances with this one amazing device. And let's talk about the evenly crispy results. The removable rotisserie spit and rotate function make it perfect for rotisserie chickens and homemade shawarma, and the intuitive touchscreen control panel makes it a breeze to use, giving you just about any meal you want.
Number 4.
Ninja Air Fryer Pro. You'd think all air fryers would be created equal, but this one really stands out from the crowd. It's got this game-changing technology called Air Crisp that uses superheated air to get your food hot and crispy with hardly any oil at all. That's a big deal, especially if you're looking for a healthier alternative to deep-fried foods. With its 4-in-1 functionality, this air fryer can do everything from air frying to roasting, reheating, and even dehydrating. It's like having 4 appliances in one. The large capacity is also a major plus, allowing you to cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings at a time. And the best part? It's all done with up to 75% less fat than traditional methods. Whether you're a busy parent or a health-conscious foodie, this air fryer is a total time saver, letting you cook frozen foods in just minutes for that perfect crispy finish.
Number 3.
Sweetcrispy KZ-D6QT Air Fryer. If you're a busy parent or a young professional looking to cook healthy meals for yourself or your family without breaking the bank, this air fryer is a game changer. With a large 6.34 QT capacity, you can fit a whole chicken or up to 4 to 6 servings in one batch, making it perfect for meal prep or dinner with the kids. The clear viewing window lets you monitor your food without opening the air fryer, ensuring consistent temperature and cooking times that deliver crispy results with less guesswork. Plus, the non-toxic materials and dishwasher-safe non-stick basket make cleanup a breeze. The user-friendly design with 12 one-touch presets is also a huge plus, making it easy for beginners to get started with healthy cooking. I've been using this air fryer for a while now, and I've been consistently impressed with the results. It's a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen.
Number 2. Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer, Compact Air Fryer. We've all been there, stuck in a kitchen rut, struggling to make healthy, tasty meals for ourselves or our families without sacrificing precious counter space. This air fryer changes the game with its fast and easy operation, allowing you to whip up anything from a quick snack to a full-on meal with just a few taps on its digital touchscreen display. Plus, with 4 preset functions, you can have a one-touch meal in no time, perfect for busy households or solo cooks on the go. And let's not forget the Hi-Fry technology that gives you that perfect finishing crunch on your air-fried favorites. Whether you're making crispy chicken tenders or French fries, this baby delivers. But what really sets it apart is its stylish and compact design, which somehow squeezes a 6-quart capacity into a tiny footprint. It's a space saver's dream come true. And with healthy cooking at its core, you can indulge in delicious meals with little to no oil. And just when you think it's all about speed and space, the LED shake notifications come into play, a clever reminder to shake your food halfway through cooking for the crispiest results. I've got to say, this air fryer's got it all, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to level up their cooking skills without breaking the bank or sacrificing precious counter space. Number 1.
Cosori CAF-DC601 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Compared to the average air fryer on the market, this one delivers a significant upgrade in terms of performance, with its TurboBlaze technology allowing for a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures up to 450, resulting in crispy, juicy results every time. The heating upgrade also boasts a 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control, ensuring evenly cooked dishes with perfect texture in every bite. Additionally, the PFAS-free, non-stick ceramic coating on the basket and crisper tray offers enhanced durability, heat resistance, and a healthier cooking experience. This model also speeds up cooking with its innovative TurboBlaze technology, perfect for busy families who need to deliver perfectly crispy meals in no time. With its wide, 6-quart square basket, you can cook for the entire family while saving space on your kitchen counter or cabinet. Overall, this air fryer is ideal for anyone looking for a high-performance, convenient, and healthy cooking solution.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.